Welcome to the channel What About Salary, the channel that brings you detailed, practical insights into job roles, market trends, and most importantly salary benchmarks across different industries and regions. Whether you're thinking about changing your career path, negotiating your next offer, or simply staying informed about compensation in your industry, you're in the right place. This channel will be also useful for experts from finance and HR, directors and managers, to understand what and how to offer their employees, how to retain them and motivate to achieve better results. Hit the bell and subscribe to catch all our latest videos with fresh benchmarks and new roles observations. Don't miss out. Feel free to drop a comment below and let us know which other roles you'd like us to feature on the channel. Today's topic is one of the most in-demand and dynamic roles across industries worldwide: the project manager. We'll explore everything you need to know about this position, what project managers actually do, the key skills and competencies they need to succeed in this role, certifications and methodologies used in the field, how the job differs between corporate and technical environments, the challenges they face, and of course how much they earn, with a particular focus on salary benchmarks in Cyprus. So, let's dive right in. Who is a project manager and what exactly do they do? At its core, a project manager is responsible for planning, executing and delivering projects within a defined scope, budget, and timeline. They are the professionals who coordinate people, resources, and processes to ensure that objectives are met and stakeholder expectations are fulfilled. Depending on the company and the industry, project managers may lead anything from launching a new marketing campaign to building software products, introducing operational improvements, or managing large-scale transformation initiatives. A project manager starts by defining the goals, scope and deliverables of a project based on the vision and expectations, creating a detailed project plan, timelines and budgets. Throughout the life cycle of the project, they monitor progress and adjust plans as needed, assess risks and mitigate them where possible, ensure quality control and compliance with regulatory standards. They keep communication flowing between all involved parties and conduct post-project evaluation and continuous improvement. Project managers are ultimately accountable for the success or failure of the project, which makes their role both highly visible and critically important in any organization. Now, let's talk about skills and competencies. Successful project managers need a unique blend of soft and hard skills. On the soft side, strong leadership is essential. Project managers must be able to inspire and guide cross-functional teams, many of whom do not report to them directly. Communication is also a key, whether it's giving clear instructions, presenting updates to executives, or resolving conflicts among stakeholders. Communication can make or break a project. Other vital soft skills include problem-solving, adaptability, emotional intelligence, and time management. As projects often change scope, hit roadblocks, or involve competing priorities, the ability to stay calm under pressure and make effective decisions is a significant asset. On the technical side, project managers must be highly organized and proficient in using project management tools and software. These might include Microsoft Project, Jira, Trello, Asana, or ClickUp, depending on the company's ecosystem. Familiarity with project documentation, project charters, Gantt charts, a tool that visually represents a project's timeline, showing tasks, dependencies, and progress, and of course risk registers is essential. Depending on the industry, project managers may need domain-specific knowledge. For instance, in IT and software development, a strong understanding of system architecture, coding languages, or cybersecurity might be necessary. In marketing, knowledge of digital platforms, SEO, and analytics is often required. In construction, familiarity with architectural plans, safety standards, and regulatory compliance is critical. Additionally, knowledge of project management methodologies is a must. These frameworks guide how projects are planned, executed, and delivered. The most widely used are Waterfall, Agile, Scrum, and Kanban. Waterfall is a traditional linear model often used in construction or manufacturing, where tasks are completed in sequential phases. Waterfall offers structure as strength and does not allow going back to a prior phase. Agile, on the other hand, is a more flexible and iterative approach, focuses on creating a collaborative process and adaptive simultaneous workflows, ideal for fast-changing environments like software development. Many companies also use Scrum, a framework within Agile that emphasizes regular check-ins, short work sprints, and constant feedback for fast delivery, and getting more work done faster. Kanban is focused on continuous delivery and process improvements, visualizing work through boards, helping teams manage workload and reduce bottlenecks. Kanban emphasizes the importance of monitoring and adjusting processes. The methodology used depends on the nature of the project and the company culture. Although it's possible to become a project manager without a specific degree, most professionals in this field hold at least a bachelor's degree in business administration, engineering, IT, or a related field. To validate their knowledge and enhance credibility, project managers often pursue industry-recognized certifications. The most well-known is the Project Management Professional Certification, PMP, issued by the Project Management Institute. It's the gold standard in project management. Others include Certified Associate in Project Management, CAMP, ideal for entry-level professionals, Certified Scrum Master, Prince 2, projects in controlled environments, very popular in Europe and globally recognized, and Agile PM, tailored for professionals managing Agile projects. Many companies require or highly prefer candidates with these certifications, especially for senior roles or technical project management positions. Let's talk now about areas where project managers are needed. The short answer is everywhere. Project managers are indispensable in IT, finance, marketing, construction, healthcare, energy, logistics, HR, and more. Whether it's rolling out a new IT system, expanding a company into a new market, or optimizing supply chains, project managers bring structure and accountability to initiatives that involve multiple stakeholders and complex deliverables. And this brings us to an important distinction: the difference between project managers in corporate functions and those in technical or IT roles. In corporate environments, project managers often focus on business initiatives such as marketing campaigns, internal communications projects, new markets and business locations development, transformations, or operational process improvements. These projects usually emphasize business outcomes and stakeholder engagement, and may not require deep technical knowledge. In contrast, project managers in IT deal with software development, infrastructure upgrades, cybersecurity initiatives, cloud migrations, and so they often work closely with developers, engineers, QA specialists, and system architects. A good IT project manager doesn't necessarily need to code, but must understand technical concepts well enough to communicate with technical teams, translate business requirements into tech solutions, and manage timelines that rely on agile sprints, technical constraints, and resource allocation. As a result, project managers in IT are usually expected to have more technical background, or at least experience working in tech-driven environments. Certifications like PMI-ACP or Safe Agilist may be preferred in such roles. The career path for project managers is well defined but highly performance-driven. Most professionals begin as project coordinators or junior project managers. From there, they can move into roles like middle project manager, senior project manager, and ultimately, program manager or portfolio manager, overseeing multiple related projects. In technical environments, the most senior roles might be lead IT project manager, delivery manager, head of PMO, or even chief project officer, depending on the organization. Responsibilities and complexity increase at each level. A junior project manager may oversee small internal initiatives, while a senior project manager will typically handle large, strategic projects involving multiple departments, complex risk profiles, and substantial budgets. A lead project manager may manage a team of other project managers, define project management standards, and report directly to executives. With the right skills set and strategic approach, project managers can drive significant value, leading initiatives that propel organizational growth and innovation. In summary, project management is a dynamic and rewarding career path, offering opportunities across various industries. By cultivating essential skills, obtaining relevant certifications, and gaining practical experience, aspiring project managers can position themselves for success in this vital role. Now, let's turn to compensation benchmarks in Cyprus, where demand for skilled project managers has been growing steadily, particularly in the IT and fintech sectors, as many companies relocated their businesses and teams to this sunny location. As of spring 2025, in corporate functions, a junior project manager can expect to earn around €3,500 gross per month, depending on the company and the size of the projects. A middle-level PM in a corporate setting could earn approximately €4,500 gross, while a senior project manager managing high-scale projects could expect €5,500 gross per month. In technical functions, a starting junior IT project manager can expect approximately €4,700 gross per month, a middle IT project manager, about €6,000 gross. A senior IT PM managing strategic projects could be offered with monthly €7,000 to €8,000 gross, depending on the company and the size of the projects, while a lead IT project managers and head of PMO who run the whole team of technical project managers could expect a base pay of €9,000 to €10,000 gross per month. In addition to salaries, project managers often have access to the performance-based bonuses as a part of their variable remuneration. These can be generous, particularly for roles tied to revenue generation or customer delivery. It's not unusual for bonuses to reach up to 100% of the base salary, especially when project milestones are met on time, under budget, and to stakeholder satisfaction. So what challenges do project managers face on a daily basis? First and foremost, they have to balance the competing priorities of time, scope, and budget, often referred to as the project management triangle. Scope creep, unclear requirements, shifting expectations, and resource constraints are common hurdles. Managing cross-functional teams with conflicting priorities adds complexity. And in technical environments, managing dependencies between systems, aligning architecture with business goals, and ensuring quality assurance add yet another layer of responsibility. Conflict resolution is a regular part of the job. Whether it's a disagreement between departments, unrealistic expectations from leadership, or delays from vendors, project managers must navigate these situations diplomatically and assertively. Good negotiation and influencing skills can make a significant difference in these moments. How about additional benefits in the package for this role? In practice, benefits can include any perks a company is willing to provide to attract and retain key talents. These can range from meal allowances or a corporate canteen to company benefit cards, which are particularly valuable in Cyprus, as well as comprehensive health and life insurance for employees and their families, sometimes with or without additional contributions for family members. Additional benefits can also include a wide range of socially oriented support, such as housing rental assistance, educational support for employees' children, corporate discounts on company products or those of its partners, and holiday gifts. Many companies also offer more personalized perks, such as vouchers for salon services, in-office massage sessions, travel certificates, flight tickets for expatriates, and relocation support for relocated employees. And don't forget about team events. For project managers, team-building activities are vital for team collaboration and alignment. Companies may also provide budgets for training, international conferences, or the development of additional skills unrelated to the employee's main role. Coverage of a gym membership or corporate club. Also, companies offer referral bonuses, a financial to employees who recommend candidates for open jobs. If the referred candidate is hired and stays with the company for a certain period, usually 3 to 6 months, the employee who made the referral receives a bonus. It gives companies very cost-effective and faster hiring, as it's often cheaper than using recruitment agencies, and the referred candidates tend to move through the hiring process more quickly. Some organizations take this further by offering interest-free loans for various purposes, including home purchases, car financing, or healthcare costs, along with preferential interest rates on loans from partner banks. Finally, some employers provide additional vacation days for special occasions, like birthdays or social responsibility days, enhanced sick leave, support programs for new parents, and even gifts for newborn children, recognizing the importance of work-life balance. When it comes to social responsibility, many companies offer volunteer days, pet gifts, and much more. The total remuneration for a project manager role includes a combination of base salary, variable compensation, benefits, and ongoing professional development. Feel free to share in the comments what perks your companies offer. We'd love to hear your experiences. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications, so you never miss out on new insights, industry benchmarks, and updates on the latest market trends. Wishing you a productive day, straightforward tasks, and outstanding results. See you soon.